Sis from year to be, and I'm here to give you the weather updates in the UAE and how to prepare for the heavy rains, floods, and some tips on safety precautions. On Tuesday, 16th of April, we witnessed a heavy rainfall in all parts of the Emirates, which recorded the heaviest rainfall in 75 years, according to the state's media report. As you can see, Dubai is covered with dark clouds all around 3 p.m. on Tuesday before the massive rains fell with strong winds. So what do we do for safety? 1. Watch the weather forecast on TV or the internet and share the news with your family and friends. 2. Stock up food, water, first aid kit, and extra batteries. 3. Secure your important documents from rain or water leakage. 4. Switch off the electrical appliances. 5. Lastly, always listen to your parents or adults and stick with your family during this time. And always remember to be safe and be good. Thank you!